People always ask, what is mediation? Mediation is an informal settlement process where you have an independent third party that serves as a mediator that helps the two parties come to an agreement. And it usually lasts for an entire day. It's important to go to mediation because it allows you to give input into the settlement of your case. So if you want to have more say into your case, you want to go to mediation. Otherwise, if you're going to a judge, the judge will hear evidence, will hear your testimony, but will make a decision based on what the court feels like it's in the best interest of you, instead of you having a say in what's in the best interest of your family. Mediation is different from litigation because in mediation you have more control. So it's probably a little bit easier emotionally to go to mediation, although you're still addressing the issues that you would address at a divorce trial or trial. Trial is more stressful because you're actually going up to a witness stand, you're being sworn in by the court, and you're asked specific questions. And sometimes you want to say more on the witness stand than what you are allowed to say because the other side objects. So mediation really gives you an opportunity to decide what your life will be after the divorce. If you can settle in mediation, the process is faster than if you go to a trial. And it's also more cost efficient for your family. So you're not spending as much money on attorney's fees if you're actually going to a trial, because it's a whole different preparation process, mediation versus trial. Mediation, you still have to have all the documents and all the important facts that you need to know about your case so you can present it to the mediator during mediation. Mediation is faster than litigation because you don't have to get a trial date. Sometimes if you get a trial date, you may be set for trial, but something comes up in the court or there's another case in front of you that is number one on the docket list and they get to go. Mediation, you have a day that is set with a mediator in both sides. And at the end of the day, when you reach an agreement, then you're done. Only in very few circumstances is mediation not an option. For example, if there has been family violence in a case, mediation is not an option, and the court will not order either party to go to mediation if there's been family violence. Mediation is typically court ordered before going to trial, and that's the reason why a lot of family law cases settle in mediation, again, which is better for the family. If you have questions about the difference between mediation and litigation, give us a call. We'd love to help.